You look like a Picasso. Yeah.
When you want pate more than friendship?
Mia!
Yo, that water hit him right in the pride.
Ow!
That bark back really said, who's the boss now? Dinner time equals hammer time. That hand's gonna sparkle after this. New helmet, looks comfy.
Oh, goodness. Oh my oh.
When cardio turns into cat.
Leo. Leo. Where?
Guess that's the new bald head polish.
Czy sam ją atakuje, że się boisz?
This pup's like, I can do that too.
Looking back like hanging
Somebody get this pup some traction.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Cat's like, I'm out of here.
Okay. All right.
Meu Deus!
Excuse me, did I say stop?
So good and tasty.
That cat's got moves. Somebody call the UFC.
Belt on now. Get your belt on.
Okay, but where's his license? Stairs when you've got style.
Oh, you're so dumb.
slippery when wet, buddy.
You don't like it. Hey, Oh, no.
Plot twist. The nest was haunted.
Hi, I'm just here to check into my appointment.
Oh.
Dogs like, lady, that's my tongue. That's not a bath. That's an Olympic bath.
Baby.
And the cat scores on itself. Bro thinks he's a frog now. When your dog's more romantic than your ex. Someone tell him that tail's attached.
Excuse me, sir.
Bro thinks the tail is a snap.
tail, Holly.
When you believe you're faster than a horse. Bad cardio.
Smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's American.
Oh.
Get on, buddy. We got snacks to catch.
Oi.
He's ready for a job interview.
Intonation.
Somebody get him popcorn. This drama is getting intense.
That's so cute. I cannot wait for Poppy to be like old enough for she to like sleep or that.
Come on.
Go outside.
When your dog spends too much time on the farm. That's not destruction, that's modern art. Banksy, but make it furry. Sir, this is a foot, not a drumstick. Well, that friendship is officially over. You can literally see the stress leaving his body.
What have been to mom?
Who's been in the Doritos? Riley? Who's been in my crisps? Rhubarb?
Okay, but that branch is too long. He's running on 1% battery and no charger in sight.
Oh my god!
All right, buddy, you got this. And nope.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. Gonna hit so much stuff.
Bang.
No get it.
Come on, bro, we trained for this. Walk of Shame ends today.
Mato Salfat. Rotterdam. The pitbull. Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really?
Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't tell me.
No, I'm gonna.
He eats like someone who skipped lunch, breakfast, and dinner last week.
Yung ko ng papi, ganyan din. Sa peto bento talagang sarap na sarap.
Last na yan.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. I love you. I love you. Yeah. You need to stop.
Oh, when your enemy starts being nice and you know something's up.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
At this moment that he knew, he fucked up.
No! No. No. No.
Say, Mom.
Arme heben und mit der Außenseite für die Fußaußenkante parallel zu den kurzen Mattenenden und lass dich mit geradem Rücken nach vorn und unten sinken.
That is not a
He didn't even try to hide it. Bold move.
When the puppy cup is life.
That moment when your whole personality depends on finishing what's in that cup.
Oh my god.
That's the sound.
Oh my god. Could it be? Oh my god.
Bájate, Julio.
He's screaming like water is lava. Pure drama king. That tiny doghouse just turned into WrestleMania.
I forgot his bowls were here and I used.
Bam!
Oh my god.
Different. He's a liar and a snake. You.
See him looking.
I thought it was a tractor at first, then I realized it was the dog.
So weird, they get stuck after like they may be stuck in it trying to get out for like a good 10 minutes.
Same with dogs too.
Yeah, no, there was a dog. It was a Yorkshire Terrier.
This dog goes from sleep mode to snack mode in a snap. POV, you promised yourself you'd work out, but didn't say how hard.
There, no running on the road. You come back when I tell you.
Kibble? Come on, Charles.
Hi. Hi. Good. Good boy. Okay. Okay. All right.
Master, ¿estás preparado?
This dog's a certified partner in crime now.
What's the goal to Tripoli? This is all she's.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! Thought.
Finger push. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Benny. Goodbye.
When you leave your dog alone for 5 minutes and he starts a home renovation project.
Si puede.
Haciendo caso.
Sir.
Made this mess. Who did it? Who did this? Guilty. I don't think it can take us all. His little leg. Oh, my belly. What? He's so proud of himself.
Nothing beats the joy of a dog playing with its human. Pure happiness.
You little shit bag. I want one to go, yo. Hey, for sale, Nico.
Take a look.
I never imagined that Amanda and Greg would be together. It's very valuable. Her behavior is so erratic, you don't know what to expect. She tends to...
That cat's got no shame. Straight up snack thief. The little guy is like, not on my watch, big fella.
Oh my word.
Hello? Hello? Whoa.
At Pet Circus, every video is crafted with care. We handpick the funniest and most heartwarming pet moments from all over the internet, then bring them to life with creative editing, fun music, and thoughtful storytelling. We don't just share clips, we create a joyful experience. Thanks for watching, and if you smiled today, don't forget to subscribe and join the Circus of Joy.